What's up, Stat Fam? We told you we was coming back with another one. We got Larry Joe Bird versus Michael Jeffrey Jordan, 1988 MVP battle. This is a live reaction. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that sub button, and comment below. Let's get it. Y'all know it's live. It's legendary. We don't fake no reactions. It's all 100. It's all authentic. It's all real. We're going to keep it going. We hope y'all having a good day. But it's time to handle something. I'm going at Big Bird. I'm going at Jeffrey. It's must see. I can watch it a million times, but it's must see though. I gotta watch different games, different parts. Salute. You know
The Boston Celtics are not the beast of the East anymore after losing Kevin McHale for the first month of the season and reoccurring injuries to Larry Bird. The once invincible Celtics seem like just another good team. But now it's January, and during this month, Larry Bird has led the Celtics to a 99-20 regular season record in his 8 years. The Chicago Bulls, with some new faces and an old reliable, had the best record in the NBA for the first month of the season. But the good times soured, and despite a 4-game home win streak, there's been talk of dissension.
Doug Collins again, what I tell you?
Next.
Doug Collins, man.
CBS Sports presents NBA Basketball, America's Game. Tonight's game is being brought to you by Miller Brewing Company, sole sponsor of the U.S. Olympic Training Centers, and Honda, who invite you to experience the Accord LXI four-door sedan at your local Honda dealer. And by the U.S. Armed Forces. It's a great place to start.
Another sellout, 18,000 plus at Chicago Stadium. The Boston Celtics come to town. Bulls favor with Dennis Johnson out of the lineup for the Boston Celtics. The tip goes.
Well, that's good hustle.
Nice save to open the game by Michael Jordan.
Oh, this live right here. I ain't never seen this.
Here's Bird, gets a pick from McHale. From long range, Larry Bird.
I should have known. Get started, Bird.
Jordan hasn't scored yet.
Okay, where the answer?
There goes Mayfield on the drive. And the foul. We got the mismatch.
That's good D.
Sparrow couldn't get the ball to Mike Brown. They got Bird out on Sparrow, handle it at the point forward, so it's not a lot of pressure as it would be in some.
Too much space. You got to be there already. You can't. If you get there before you might as well cancel.
Couldn't get the shot off. Nice. Sellers, who took it to the basket. Power move. Sit better there. He's averaging 12.8 points during the win streak in about 25 minutes.
Target practice tonight.
Chicago moving the ball well. Jordan
Out there. Oh, it worked down there. Ooh. That's good work. Oh, good block. All the way. How you going at? Showtime. That's a big hill out there now. Oh, good D. Pass, Bird. You already know you're going to find your teammate. I promise. Ooh, oh. Bro, what in the fuck? Bro was playing like this in 79, bro. Man. I'm still in awe. Damn. These guys did not disappoint when they came out, I promise you. Damn. Oh, this one must see. Oh. Bro. That shit don't make no sense. How? I got nothing else to say, man.
McHale's next 2 points will give him 10,000 for his career. There's Jordan with 16 now.
I can watch these battles all day.
That wasn't exactly what they wanted.
Oh, that's a good steal, Big Bird. What? The rebound. Oh, what a pass. And he got his own rebound. Look at this. When these guys were scoring, they were scoring. There wasn't no playing. There wasn't no. What the f? Bro, this was really must see. Like, damn, it's a blessing. Salute the Bird fans. Salute the Jordan fans. This was must see. I can already tell it was. Oh. Good. Oh, what a work. This right here you pay to go see. I definitely would have paid to go see that. Bird and Jordan, we definitely paying to go see that. I promise. Can't go wrong. You know a show gonna get put on. Good take, Parrish. Okay. That's a good take. Oh yeah, Jeffrey, way to run that floor now, because if you wouldn't got that rebound, nobody else would. Good work, Bird. And you out there playing with a hurt back. He got like Eddie hooping like his back not ain't hurt. Look at him. Out there playing with a hurt back, and a dislocated finger. The pass. Open. Goodness. Who was that? You really can't do nothing with Big Bird, I promise you. You can't do nothing. The dude had a game. He had a 2020 game, man. Before time. It's crazy. Doing no Euros either. Doing no Euros. What in the hell, man? Sick. Look at this. Good fake. That shit you learn by yourself right there. You can't coach that. And one. Shot, Jeff. We know what you gonna do. Bro, you a real legend though when you said those guys and Michael Jordan. That was legendary right there. And nobody never said that right there. That was legendary, Big Bird, for real. He was serious too when he said it. Oh, what a pass. I thought it was Dr. J out there for a minute. Get him. What in the hell, man? This guy, man, you done made like 18 rainbow shots. Like there was regular shots. I'm done, man. Look at this. How you torturing? You torturing him shooting the ball. Got a problem for real. It ain't even funny. I'm just laughing because it don't make no sense. That's how funny it is. It don't make no sense how good dude was, man. Look at this shit, man. Are you serious? Dude, running off pin downs. Look at this. Hurt back. I'm talking about back hurting like hell. It's crazy, man. That's crazy. The real legend, Bird. Look at this. Look at this. He's still making steals. Done, man. I'm done, man. I see why Jordan said it though. We tired of. I'm tired of looking at your face. I see why. Yeah, you definitely was a problem out there in that court, Big Bird. I promise you was everywhere. Now we see why he said that. Now. Game recognized game. Bird, damn, he got back that quick. Paxson. It's a big shot. It's crazy though. I'm gonna tell you what's crazy. This nigga Bird take the damn ball out every time. Bro was taking the ball out and still. Bro, I'm done, man. I'm done. The guy was taking the ball out and still out there averaging 40 points. It's crazy. You know, Collins once again. Casey Jones. Look at this. 38, 10, and 8, man. Player of the game. Look at this. It felt like he was a player of the game, too. That's crazy. And he did this in Chicago. This ain't even in Boston. That was a hell of a duel. That was a hell of a duel right now. Bird 38 points, Jeffrey 42. Bird, I don't need to see nothing else. Like for real though, what couldn't you do? You had a damn 2020 game, man. I'm still lost from that pass I just seen from about 7 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago when you came up the court and threw it with your left. I'm done. And then another fact, dude, you out here playing with a hurt back shooting the ball like that? Are you serious? I'm talking about like, for real, I'm talking about hurt back. Can't move. He out there still shooting the ball, running up and down the court like it's normal. I'm done, man. I'm done. I don't need to see nothing else for real though. It just said the player of the game, Larry Bird at the end. Y'all just see that? I don't need to see no more. If I had 38, 10, and what? Torch. And then he taking the ball out. What? Unselfish the pride, he had the presence of mind to take the ball out, man. Think about that. You know how many people would be like, man, I'm not taking that ball out, boy, I'm the man. This guy took the ball out. I'm sitting here looking at the game the whole time. He took the ball out every time. Real legend, Big Bird, for real. I don't need to see no more. I don't know about nobody else. They need to see some more. I'm still gonna watch some more, but I don't need to see no more. I don't need to confirm. Y'all already confirmed with me. Real legend, Big Bird. Salute you. Promise you. Make no sense now. For real. I'm talking about torture. What you was doing 40, 50 years ago, they trying to do it now. Damn. That's crazy. I'm talking about only played 12 years. Now I can go on all day, man. I ain't gonna. Big Bird, real legend. Jeffrey, real legend. Bird family, we salute. Stat family, we salute. Thank y'all for watching the full video, because we're gonna be back with another video after this video. Make sure y'all stay prayed up. Y'all be safe. Y'all be good. You know?